TestGorilla, a pre-employment talent assessment solution that measures, validates, and ranks candidates' skills. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create and name your assessment. Assign a job role and we'll recommend you relevant tests. Step 2. Select your chosen test to assess for multiple job-relevant skills. Then personalize your assessment by adding your own custom questions. Choose from multiple choice, true or false, video answers, and more. You can also add qualifying questions to filter candidates out before the assessment even starts. Step 3. Revise your assessment and send it to candidates. TestGorilla's anti-cheating measures ensure you get results you can trust. Our platform is easy to use and instantly shares results and ranks candidates as they complete their assessments. The results? A skills-based hiring solution that helps you identify and hire top talent beyond how they look on paper. Use skill tests to hire the best with TestGorilla. Sign up for free to get started.